Hello fellas, today we are going to react to Bhairav versus 100 Fighters, and it's by one of the South Indian movies. I don't have the name to that, but we are going to react to this particular scene because it is very much recommended on my channel, so we are going to react to this. It's starring Ram Charan and Kajal Agarwal. But before starting the video, I'd like to request you to please hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so never miss an update from me. And without further ado, let's start. There's more than 100 actually. Whoa.
अब ये राज्य हमारा है। अब तुम्हारी जगह हमारी जांघों पर है। आजा। ये है वीरों का खानदान, जहां एक एक वीर 100 दुश्मनों को हलाक कर देता है। मान सिंह, हम साबित कर देंगे कि जो तुमने कहा वो महज एक दिल्लगी में बनाई गई कहानी है। हमने सेनापति रणदेव को जुबान दी है कि वो लड़की इसी को मिलेगी। उस खूबसूरत बारात को लाकर इसकी गोद में बिठा और हमारे सामने झुककर सलाम कर। अब हम तेरी जान बख्शेंगे।
तू भी मेरी बात कान खोल कर सुन ले शेर खान। इस राजद्रोही को मुझे सौंप दे तो मैं तुझे और तेरी सेना को जीवन दान दूंगा।
बहुत अच्छे। हमारी जान बख्शेगा, खुदा है हम। अगर तू अपने बाप की औलाद है और तेरे बाजों में ताकत है तो तू मेरे उन 100 जाबाजों की टुकड़ी को मारता तो दूर, सिर्फ छू कर दिखा। हम तेरे राज और राजकुमारी को वापस लौटा देंगे।
जितनों को भेजना है भेज, पर कोई वापस नहीं जाएगा।
हमारी फौज की तादाद को देखकर तू वही दम तोड़ देगा।
उसकी चिंता तू मत कर, बस देखना कि तू गिनती ना भूल जा।
अगर हमारा एक भी जाबाज बच गया तो तेरी मौत पक्की।
अब एक एक करके मत भेजना शेर खान। दम है तो 100 को एक साथ भेजने का हुक्म दे।
लाहौर देखड़ी की इंतहा है। देख हमारी ताकत, शैतान की फौजें।
There's more? I'm getting little bit vibes like Bahubali.
इनमें से एक भी नहीं बचेगा राजकुमारी। देखिएगा, इनके कटे हुए सरों से निकलते हुए रक्त से काल भैरव का अभिषेक करूंगा मैं।
Actually, he's counting. Oh, so using the bridge so that he can like have a less amount of struggle to kill people. Ah, the wind blowing, nice.
बाधा है, पीछे से मार।
Again, CGI.
ये 29वां और 32 है, शैतान की औलाद, बदल से मार, पीठ पीछे, पीठ पीठ।
जनाब 32 हो गए।
Nice. The fight choreography is really nice. Amazing. Nice. He's supposed to get at least some wound or something like that because that's stress. Whoa! Okay. Nice. Actually, okay. I don't have the words right now, but good. Very nice. He's actually losing his himself controls. Wow. He's actually losing the control on himself actually when he was actually counting how he's making this all this happen. Oh. Finally. Fine. One more. Ah, come on. Oh, God. Whoa. That's so good. That was so close. Nice. Wow. Why are you sacrificing your own men? I don't understand that, but nice.
बच्चा से तेरा बे पंचमन बे पंचान बे मार
Oh, nice, nice, nice. That was nice. Good. 99. One to go. Come on. Okay. Nice. Nasty, but nice.
सौ हो गए शेर खान। अगर चाहता है तो और 100 सिपाहियों को भेज।
शाबाश शाबाश। भैरव, हमने ऐसे भी राजा देखे हैं जो हमारा नाम सुनते ही अपना राज्य हमें सौंप देते हैं। ऐसी फौजें देखी हैं जो हमारी सुर्ख लाल आंखें देखते ही भाग खड़ी होती हैं। भैरव, तेरे दिल से खून निकलता रहा, फिर भी तो दुश्मनों को एक एक करके मारता रहा। पहली मर्तबा हमने ऐसा दिलेर देखा है। पूरे हिंदुस्तान को अपनी ताकत से खौफजदा कर देने वाला ये बादशाह आज से तेरी बहादुरी का गुलाम बनता है।
नाइस माय गॉड।
हम किस्मत वाले हैं जो हमें तेरे जैसा जाबाज मिला। हाथ मिला मेरी जान।
He's still there.
इतनी जुर्रत को तू शेर खान के दोस्त
अपना वादा याद कर शेर खान। राज्य के साथ रानी को देने का वादा किया था तूने। अपनी दी हुई जुबान भूल गया शेर खान? बता, याद है कि नहीं तुझे?
माफ करना भैरव।
How is that even possible? Not bad. Choreography is good. One-on-one choreography is good.
अब बताओ कि असली मर्द कौन है? हाँ?
Got him.
जो चीज हमारी नहीं हो सकती वो किसी की भी नहीं हो सकती।
Oh. Holy shit.
अंतिम क्षणों में तो हमारा हाथ थाम लो भैरव।
No, no way, no way. Oh shit. Are you serious? Skydiving. Easily he's got a catch. Oh no. No. I didn't actually expect it to be this great of a shooting, but it's absolutely amazing. I would say this is the way they find what they have done. Wow. Some of the scenes I have seen the movie 300, and there are some of the scenes which are actually taken from there. I would say, because that was a scene where he actually got shot by two arrows, and he was actually backwards, and the two arrows got cut, and he just tried to throw the shield on the person who threw the arrow. That was actually the scene which was actually I guess in that was from 300, and also one scene where he cut the leg of one of the warriors. That was one of the scenes which was also from 300, and the arrows which were actually thrown in the air, and it came on all the like the warriors and everyone. That was also one of the scenes which was actually taken from the way they were being shot. It was actually taken from that scene. It was just pretty good, pretty nice the way they have done that. But still, at some point of time, the camera angles were so much into like the moving fast that you'll be able to understand that he's trying to kill as many as possible on that particular bridge. He took that thing as a benefit so that he'll be able to conserve his energy to kill more people. That was actually a very good move. This was the reaction, this was the review. I absolutely love this particular scene. Thank you so much for suggesting this one. Amazing. If you have any suggestions, if you have any the things to need for reaction, please to give me on a comment section. I would be really happy to react in it. And if you like my reaction, if you like my review, I request you to please give a very big like to this particular video so that I know that you like my reaction. I will be inspired motivated to more action videos for you guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, I would request you to please click the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so never miss anything from me. And next reaction, next review, I would request you to stick in it.